How high will Altlayer go in the 2024 bull market? Altlayer is a very new coin which got listed on Binance. But the question is, how high will it go in the next bull run? In this video I share my Altlayer price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Altlayer to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Altlayer is on place 127 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $400 million. The coin has just existed since a few days. But we are already seeing this bullish move and it's trending in the crypto space. But what is Altlayer? As it says on the website, Altlayer is a decentralized protocol that is working with restaked rollups. But how it is exactly working, it's all explained on the website in detail. But if we look at the ecosystem, you can see that we have many different partnerships, which is first a really good sign. So I think it's a very interesting project. And of course, it's a really good sign that Altlayer got listed on bigger exchanges like Binance. Because when new projects are already listed on big exchanges, the chance that it also goes to the upside in the next days and weeks is very high. If we're having a look at the circulating supply, we are just on 11%, which is not a really good sign, but I still think that this year Altlayer can explode. And also from the market cap, we have a lot of potential to the upside. If we would just reach the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies, we have here a market cap of $4.7 billion. So from Altlayer's market cap to this market cap of the top 20, we would have a potential of 10 to 12x. And of course, if the bull run really begins, the chance that we could see even higher prices for the overall market cap is really high. If we now can continue this bullish trend of the total crypto market cap, the chance is high that we could reach the all-time high. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we see even much higher prices for the market cap is really high. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance that much money comes into the whole crypto space is very high. And if then a small percentage flows into Altlayer, the chance is high that we can see a bullish explosion for this coin. So I think Altlayer is a very interesting project. Of course, the circulating supply is not a really good sign, but I think for this year we have a lot of potential to the upside. Especially with the Binance listings, I think the chance is high that we could see higher prices in the next days and weeks. Some people are saying that we could expect prices around $100. But I think this kind of price target is way too high for Altlayer, especially because it's launched right now. But I think that we can see a price target of nearly $9 is very realistic. So I think everything between 10 and 25x is really realistic for this project. If we would reach this price target of $9, we would have a potential of 2,500%. And I think this would be a crazy deal for Altlayer. But of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. It will depend how the project will evolve in the next days and weeks. How much money flows into the project, how it's evolving. So I don't want you to FOMO into this project, but I think there is a lot of potential in this project. But guys, don't put your whole money into one crypto coin. In the crypto space, it's very important to have a strict risk management. Please keep this in mind, guys. So we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Altlayer. As you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend. And if we're breaking this last highs here to the upside with the hourly body close, then I think the chances is high that we can see a bullish explosion to the upside. So if we're seeing the hourly close above, I think it's a great price to buy some coins, because as I said, I expect even higher prices in the next days and weeks. But if we would see lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone from the technical perspective, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish push we made a higher high. So the chance if we're coming back into this demand zone that we see a bullish continuation is very high. So if we come back and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great buy area for Altlayer from the technical perspective. But if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Altlayer, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Altlayer is a project with a very nice potential. I think price targets for this bull run from 10x to 25x from these prices right now is very realistic. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now and it's difficult to say how it will evolve. But I think the project looks promising, and especially when the bull run will start, the chance that we could see even higher prices for the whole crypto market cap is very high. And if a small percentage comes into Altlayer, the chances high that we could reach this kind of prices. And if you want to see my gala price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.